Hello everyone, this is Ted with OAXRAY, and today I'm going to show you a feature on OAXRAY about switching tables. Okay, so if you've been using OAXRAY for a while, let me show you how to get started actually. I'm just on a Walmart page with a whole bunch of Lego listings. I'm going to go up here and click on OAXRAY extension. It's going to start bringing up the profitable items. I do have a filter set right here. So as you can see, this item is the only profitable item that comes up. But we have this button over here. It's called Switch Table View. Basically, if you've been using OAXRAY for years and years, then you will know that this is how OAXRAY originally looked. This is the original view of OAXRAY. You're able to click on these right here and it shows you the different pictures so that we can verify that the picture is the same for all these, so we can see that these items match. We're seeing the Walmart picture, the Amazon picture, and basically all the information that you need. There's also a lot of different things we can do here. We can hide different stores. The reason you want to hide stores is if the table just gets unmanageable. There's just too many things. You can hide any store. You can also come up here and reset the columns. This brings back everything you've hidden. I'm going to hide some of these again, just make it look a little better. You can also click on positive ROI, which is going to bring you up to positive ROI items. No match found are the items that don't have a match on Amazon that we were unable to find. You can also click on currently unavailable, show all listings. My buys is if you put in a filter. So I can do a rank filter, ROI filter. Let's say I do 10. It's going to remove anything that doesn't have at least 10% ROI on it. Oh, maybe I did it backwards. Hold on. Oh, there we go. I can add a net profit filter. Let me see. You can add in different sales tax rates, which if you put in 5 here, it's going to calculate based on a 5% sales tax. So it's going to decrease your net profit, your ROI. You can also put Vat Tax if you're living in the UK. Per pound fee is we actually pick up the weight of the product. So if you want to put in 25 cents per pound so you can get a better idea of how much it's going to cost for inbound shipping, you can add those things. But this is the old view, and this is how you do everything on the old view of everything. Everything shows up on the main tab. We're selecting the main tab here. But if we switch table view to the other view, then we see this new view. This is how we changed everything. Now the pictures populate automatically, makes everything easier to kind of look at both pictures, see which one, make sure everything's correct. Looks like everything here is correct. And you can do a lot of the same things on this one. So if we want to get rid of Barnes & Nobles, we just click the X. There we go. You can also hit show stores from other marketplaces. It'll bring back whatever you deleted. So I deleted a few. You can also click on merchant fulfilled. This is going to change your ROI in all that information. If you click right here, it will calculate everything based on merchant fulfilled versus regular. You can put a discount here if you know you're getting 10% off. It's going to change the ROI and all of that stuff. I'm going to remove this. I don't want any mess ups. Vat tax, you can add in a Vat tax, sales tax, per pound fee, and a per unit fee. So let's say you're shipping items out and you want to do, let's click it, merchant fulfilled. This item becomes positive because it no longer is taking in the cost of shipping. So what you might want to do is put in $4 for shipping or $5 for shipping or whatever in this box so you can calculate the shipping. As you can see, when I put the shipping in there, it turns red again because it makes the ROI negative. But without the shipping fee, it's positive ROI. I can also put in a per pound fee. So if I ship it and I know it's going to cost me 50 cents a pound, I can plug that in, changes my per pound fee. Can also add in a tax. I add in 100% sales tax, that doubles the price. Everything turns red, recalculates all this information. You can also add in VAT or discount. 25% discount gives me a discount on what I'm paying for the item. So you're able to use all these features basically on both, but I think that the newer looks better. I can show you the difference. So this, we have no pictures, no kind of information like that. When you switch over to the new view, you have all the pictures, you have all the information. Plus, if there's multiple stores, you'll have information from those stores also. Again, you can remove any stores you don't want, and you can do calculations based on all the things I mentioned earlier: discount, VAT tax, sales tax, fees, and everything else. You can also sort from price, high to low. You can do average sales rank. You can sort that also. So if I only want to see something with the sales rank to 250,000, then it filters everything. I can also say 1% margin or ROI to, well, I want unlimited. So then I can see all the profitable items. You can do the same for net profit. So if I want at least a $5 net profit, then I can put that there. These are your fees. So again, you have both options available. I just think this one's a bit cleaner. So this is what I use. We can see the pictures. Everything goes a little smoother. You can also click on the Amazon link. That'll be here. That's the ASIN. Makes it easy to pull up. And if you can just click on the picture if you want to pull up the Walmart link, pretty easy. So just click on both. So I just wanted a kind of overview of everything, how everything works on the main tabs of OAXRAY, how you can switch tables. Again, we just kind of kept this legacy page because this is how it looked originally, and some people wanted it to stay that way. But for me, the easiest thing is just to switch over to this. And now this is default. So if you're looking at OAXRAY, you're going to find this to be default. This is the new screen. This is how it looks. We just found it much easier for people to read and things like that. So hopefully we can, hopefully everyone enjoys that. And right here, display options, we can restore columns. So anything we delete, if we delete too much stuff, just display options, restore columns, show unmatched, and we're back to normal. So that's how everything is to use. I'll go over other features in other videos. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Make some money using OAXRAY.